In this video, I'll show you how you can change download path in Google Chrome. So if you want to change where your files are normally stored when you download anything on the interweb, this video will help you to do so. Now, on my computer or by default, Google Chrome browser is set to download and store all the downloaded files under downloads. So if I go ahead and tap on my downloads, you can see under downloads, I have all the downloaded files on my computer. However, you may want to change this and design a specific folder to direct all your downloads. Now, I want to change my download folder from downloads to this folder called files. And therefore, everything that I download, I want it to be stored under this file. So let me show you how you can go about that. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Chrome browser. And from here, tap on these three dots. And then scroll down and get to settings. Now from settings, you'll have various options here. Scroll down until you get to downloads. Now click on it and then you'll see the downloads location. By default, the location is set to go under downloads and this is on drive C. So to change it, just tap on this change here. And this will take you to a PC where you can choose the specific folder or location you want your downloads to go. I want mine to be on desktop under a folder. So I'll tap on desktop and then I'll have to choose one of the folders that I want the downloads to go. And I'll choose this folder called files. Then tap on open. And immediately the location has been changed to files folder. Alternatively, you can choose this option. And when you choose this second option, each time you want to download a file, you'll be asked to choose where you want it to be saved. So I'll go with the first one. And you can also choose to show downloads when they are done. So I'll turn that on. Now let's go ahead and try downloading any file and see if it will be saved on this files folder. So I'll go ahead and download this image and then we shall see where it was saved. So I'll click on this and then download the small size. And then the download will begin. And you can see the download process is on here. And now it is done. So if I go ahead and tap on this, it will show the folder under which this image has been downloaded. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Look at that. It has been saved under this folder called files. So that's how you change the download path on your Google Chrome browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.